Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about 1% down payment. We got a lot of comments, a lot of inquiries about this program as soon as it came out, and we wanna go a little bit deeper, explain how the system works, how the program works, what's our benefits and bad things about this program, so you know if it's good for you. So let's start from the beginning. Usually lenders will ask for 3% minimum down payment, and this program works the same. 97% lender will lend you as a loan, and 3% you need to bring your own. But on this program, you only need to bring 1% down payment, and 2% you're gonna get a gift from the bank. Yes, it's a free money. It's not a loan, it's not a grant. It's basically not lending you, they're giving you free money. So thank you, bank. It's a great thing, and you don't actually see the money. No one actually gonna give you the money in hand, but they gonna look like a virtual money on paper that somebody brought actually 3%. So you brought one, they gave you two, so you got 3% down payment. Great. Now we can proceed with this program. Another great thing about this program that it does not require mortgage insurance at all. Any lender that lending you, and when you put in less than 20% down payment, will ask you to buy mortgage insurance. You kind of don't need that, but they require you to do so. And in this program, you don't have to do it. It's no insurance required, so it will save you minimum a few $100 a month just by doing so. So this is another great benefit on this program. People asking how to qualify. So this is a regular loan. You have to qualify for any conventional loan. You need to have 2-year credit score, 2-year taxes, enough income to qualify. So like pretty much any standard conventional deal works exactly the same. You need to have job, status in US, taxes, everything basically to qualify. Okay, so now let's talk about bad things about this, right? So it all sounds too good to be true. It's great. You only have to put 1% down payment, no mortgage insurance, and it's really great and it's legit. It works like that. But what's disadvantages of this, right? In my opinion, the number one disadvantage is that the maximum loan amount is $350,000. So in area like ours, LA, this program will not help a lot of people because our prices are much higher. But in other areas like Texas, Florida, you can buy a good home condo for this amount, and it's gonna probably help you better if you locate it in those areas. So again, keep in mind, 350,000 max. So remember, if you buying for 350,000, you only need to bring $3,500 in down payment. The rest of 2% will be gifted as a bank, but don't forget that outside of 1% down payment, you also need to pay for closing costs, because this program works like everybody else. You still need to pay for all the closing costs, and depends where you are, it's going to be a little bit different, but overall closing costs are very similar, so they're all going to be kind of almost the same, right? So you still have to pay for escrow, title, appraisal, lender fees. All of these have to be covered by you. So don't remember that outside of 1%, there is also closing cost. Make sure you keep it in mind. Okay, so other requirements you need to have. Minimum FICO is 620. So remember, make sure that your FICO is more than 620. The better the FICO, the better rate you're gonna get. It's not only for first-time home buyers. You can be first-time home buyer or not, or own other properties, as long as you're buying this property as a primary residence. So you need to occupy the property for minimum of 1 year. A lot of people asking us, can I buy this property and as an investment and rent it out? No, you cannot. You only can do it after 1 year. So any loan that you're gonna buy with less than 20% down payment, lender will ask you to buy it as a primary residence. That's the main requirements. For any investor that like to rent the property, they always have to put minimum 20% down payment. So if you're using a program like this, you can buy it with 1%, live there for a year, and after a year you can actually convert it to as an investment property and rent it out. It's all legal, and a lot of people using this tool. Another thing you need to remember is that on this program, you cannot make too much money. It's a problem if you make too much on this one. Usually we like you to make more money to show that it's going to be easier to qualify. On this one, you cannot make more than 80% of median income where you are. So we'll show how it works. So below there will be a link for median income tool where we'll search and show you how it works. So basically when you go into the website, you have to plug in your zip code, and depends where you are, you're gonna see a median income. So there's also an error of 80% of median income. This is where you need to be. So again, every location is different, so make sure you know the zip code where you're planning to buy and use that zip code. For example, in Los Angeles, our 80% of our median income is $78,000 a year. So if you make $78,000 or lower, you can qualify for this program. If you make more, but you're making commission, bonuses, overtime, this income can be deducted back. So again, usually we like to show to the bank more income. In this case, if you do have overtime, like bonuses and commission, we can actually decrease them and deduct them from your income in order to make your income 80% of the median income. But so you don't have to guess you qualify or not. There's a link below for our calendar, register, and within 1 day you're gonna get pre-approved for this loan or any other loan that you're interested in. A lot of people trying to do them by themselves. They're trying to find some online calculators and do this all guesswork by themselves. This is what we do. We've been doing this for 20 years. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. Just register. Within 1 day, you're gonna have all the numbers, all the answers. And if you're not qualified yet, we'll give you all the tools and explain you how to get prepared for a new qualification. So again, that's all we do. Link below. Okay, so to give you a summary of what we spoke about. So 1% down payment, yes. 2% of free money from the bank, yes, it works. No mortgage insurance, which is great. Max loan amount is $350,000, so make sure you don't go over that limit. You have to buy this as a primary residence, so you're gonna occupy this property for a minimum of 1 year. You need minimum of 620 FICO score, and you cannot make more than 80% of median income. So I hope this helps. And again, link below. Pre-approvals are free, and it takes only 1 day to get all the answers.